We are gathered here today to witness and celebrate a beautiful bond, one built on love, trust, and deep devotion.
It fills my heart with happiness to stand here today. From the moment I met you, everything felt familiar, as if our souls had reunited. And there's nowhere else I'd rather be than here with you, saying I do. I love you.
Linda, you're my partner, my heart, my everyday gift. I promise to love you, cherish you, and to stand beside you.
I now pronounce that you are married. Jose, you may kiss your bride.